Hello friends, welcome to the tutorial. Today we will see how can we convert .py to .exe. Okay, so let's start. First we need to open our command prompt. Okay, so after this we need to type pip install autopy to exe. Okay, pip install auto py to exe. Okay, there is space. Okay, just click enter. After this I have already downloaded, so it's showing this in my case, but in your case it will take some time, but it will get installed. Okay, so to run this just type the name. Okay, that is autopy to exe. Okay, so let's click enter, and you can see here we have the setup autopy to exe. Okay, so let's convert some files now to from py to exe. Okay, so this is showing some options, like if you want to convert, then there is one directory and one file. Okay, you can convert it in any, and you were whether you wanted the console or not. Okay, you can convert in some ways, like there is one directory and then there is option for one file. Okay, and when you want to open your application .exe application, whether do you want it to be console based or window based. Okay, so we have window based now. Okay, so now let's browse some files to convert them. So it's showing some files, so let's convert my file. Okay, and then just go to convert py to exe, and there are some options. As you can see, we are choosing one directory and window based. That is, when you will, after conversion, when you will open the file, console will not open. Okay, so you can choose as you like. Okay, so it's getting converted now. It will take very less time, so let's wait for some time, and it's done. Okay, so now it's asking for us to open output folder, so let's open, and as you can see, inside users it's showing output, and inside output this is the same file name which we converted. Okay, that was having Python extension. Okay, so here this is the application which we want. Okay, so one more thing, you can do this using means you can convert in just one file. Okay, this is actually the whole directory for this, like this is the directory. Okay, but you can also make it just one application type. Okay, that is this one application only. So for this you need to choose one file. Okay, so let's convert another now. Let's choose now your file. Okay, this time, so we want this time one file, that is only one application like file. This will be converted. Okay, and there are some options as well more, like you can set the icon, and there are other more files you can choose. Okay, advanced options, you can read them, that's not too much difficult. Okay, so let's convert again, and let's go to the output folder. Here it is, and this is, as you can see, this is just the one application file. Okay, so this way you can convert any .py file to .exe. Okay, so thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.